Hey guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service indicator in a Pulsar 200 series. To reset it, first we need to turn off the kill switch. Then press and hold the M button. By holding on the M button, now turn on the kill switch. After a few seconds, the service icon starts to blink. Now remove your hand from M button and press and hold the S button for a few seconds. Now the service icon disappears and it shows us the next service period when to service the bike.